Digging a Pond with Mark Stantz. It's going to be a nice one. Kind of peaceful back here. Alrighty, that's it.